Billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So today 25th of Rajab, Shahadat of our Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam. So we present the condolence of Shahadat of Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam to all and to our Imam Zamana alayhi salam.
افسوس کے مولا کا لاشا زنجیر ستم میں جکڑا ہے
So as I said, today is the Shahadat of Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam. So in this video we are going to discuss only the Shahadat of Imam Musa Kazim. For getting the full documentary of Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam, see the video of Shahadat of Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam with documentary that I have put it in the description. I have put in the link in the description. So go and watch that first. And now we are going to discuss only the Shahadat of Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam in this video. So Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam was martyred on 25th Rajab 183 Hijri. So when Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam was put in prison, Imam was put in prison for 28 years and he was put in prison for 14 years regularly. So the Abbasi Caliph, the fourth Abbasi Caliph, Harun Rashid, had put Imam Musa Kazim in the prison. So he was an evil leader who wanted to kill Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam. So one day when he called Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam to his court and he asked him that Musa Kazim alayhi salam, you say that you are the son of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not have any son. He had only one daughter. So how you say I am the son of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Then Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam replied, Harun, if Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam comes to you and asks you to marry her daughter, will you marry her? He said, yes, of course, because it will be a high position for me. It will be a honor to me that I will marry to the daughter of Prophet. So I can say that Prophet is from my family. So then Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam replied to him that we cannot marry to the daughter of Prophet because our daughters and our childs are the grandsons or granddaughters of Bibi Fatima. So we cannot marry her. So like this, we are the family of Prophet, and this is why I say that I am the son of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam was a seventh Imam and he was put in a prison where there was no light. The person cannot know that it is day or night, and it was such a small prison that a person cannot lie there down on the floor. So it was a very small prison in which Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam was kept. So he kept Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam in the prison for many years, and it is the 28 years of his life that he has faced the prison. His total age is 55 years. From it, 35 years is the post of Imamat, and from it he was in the prison for 28 years. So when they put Imam in the prison, they think that Islam will stop, but there is nothing like this. Imam is in the prison. When Imam was in the prison, he at that time also used to spread Islam. Like our Imam Zamana alayhi salam, when he was in the Ghaibat-e-Sughra, still he used to spread Islam. So like this, when Imams were put in the prison to stop spreading Islam, then also Imam had done their best and they have given us knowledge of Islam. So today is the Shahadat of our Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam. When he was in the prison, Harun had kept him in the prison. So once he sent some dates, khajur, to Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam. Imam was fasting, but then he sent the dates. Imam did not eat a date, and he picked up a date and then he threw it out of the prison. And the dog of Harun ate it up, and he died. After this, they forced Imam to eat that date. So Imam took up a khajur and then he ate it up. And after this, Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam was martyred by the poison which was present in the khajur, the dates. So when Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam was martyred, Harun called 4 merchants, the workers who were there. He called them and then he gave them some money. And then he told that take the janaza funeral of Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam and keep it on the bridge of Baghdad. So they took the janaza of Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam to the bridge of Baghdad. There are many 4 janazas, only 4 janazas, in which there was a very bad oppressed things and it was very mazloom. First is the janaza of Bibi Fatima Zahra Salamullah alayha. She was the Malika of this world, the queen of this world, but in her funeral there were only 14 peoples. And as same in Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam, he had many sons, but on his funeral there was only the 4 merchants who kept his janaza, his funeral, on the bridge of Baghdad. So our Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam's body was kept on the bridge of Baghdad, like the body of Imam Hussain alayhi salam was lying on the floor of Karbala. Like this, the janaza of Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam was on the bridge of Baghdad. Now when the people were passing through that bridge, then the horse stopped on the bridge. When they came on the bridge and they saw their janaza is kept and they opened it, they saw that he is nobody but our Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam. So then after this, Imam Ali Raza alayhi salam had came and he had buried Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam in Kazman. So this was the shahadat of Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam. I hope you all have liked this video, and if you all have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel Zikr-e Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel Zikr-e Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.